If you're looking for bestsellers water bottles, here's a collection you ain't got to see. New and popular 2017 refrigerator water bottles. Number 1, most popular, by Solimo. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Princeware. Number 3. For more info about these water bottles, just click the circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Princeware. Find these bestsellers water bottles at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Solimo. Number 7, by Zafos. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Sizzle. Number 9, by Princeware. Discover more bestsellers water bottles ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.